Hello, my name is Nandan Siti Fatimah. My student ID number is 0421692231. I want to answer the question number 1. I live in Pangalengan, Bandung. I have visited a city on the island of Java, namely Kuningan City. A visit to a small town on the side of Cirebon is incomplete if you don't bring your signature souvenir. The city, which is famous for its Kuningan horses, keeps some unique culinary delights for its traveler. Every Lebaran holiday, the city is crowded with travelers to Cirebon, Central Java, and East Java. The souvenir center is often crowded with tourists who stop by. One of the crowded, which is located on Jalan Raya Bojong Cilimus Kuningan. The following types of souvenir from Kuningan can be recommended for you to take home. 1. Glutinous tape in a bucket. This sticky rice tape in a brass special bucket is already famous for its enjoyment. Made from white sticky rice tape, which is light green in color due to the coloring of the katuk leaves. The texture is mushy and soft. The taste is very refreshing because it contains sweet fermented water. This typical Kuningan tape is stuffed in a small black bucket. One of the reasons is so that the fresh water it produces is still accommodated in the bucket. This food can be easily found on the main street of the city of Kuningan, especially during the long holiday. 2. Gemblong chips. For those who like dry food, chips are the choice. These cassava-based chips are not like chips in general. Inside the gemblong chips, there is a layer of spicy and savory oncom, which adds to the delicacy. These chips can be found in souvenir center, pastry shop in several Kuningan market. The color is a thin yellow with oncom in the middle brownish red. Gemblong chips are sold per kilo or per package with varying prices. I want to I want to answer the question number 2. I live in Ciwidara village, Pangalengan sub-district, Bandung district. These are the 4 traditions that are usually carried out by the Sundanese or West Java people every time they welcome the arrival of 1 Muharram. 1 Muharram is Islamic New Year. First, ngadulak or hitting the drum. This event is often held by the people of Bandung to welcome the arrival of 1 Muharram, and often competitions are also held by the local government of Bandung. The tradition is celebrated with a drum beating art competition which is participated by the majority of the residents. In the Ngadulak competition, a team consists of at least 3 players. First, one who acts as a drum beater, then a knock beater, and other additional equipment beater. The participant will compete to create a unique tune in order to win the competition. 2. Torch Parade. Another activity that is often carried out to welcome 1 Muharram is the torch relay. Actually, this activity is also not only carried out in West Java. In other areas in Indonesia also often carry out activity like this. 3. Surah porridge. Then there is the Surah porridge ceremony. The Sundanese people will prepare red porridge and white porridge, which are served separately and then brought to the mosque. In the mosque, people then perform a number of traditions to commemorate the Islamic New Year. In its implementation in a number of areas in West Java, there are slight differences. In Bandung, usually red and white porridge is made in large portion and brought to the mosque. This porridge is served to be eaten by the congregation. 4. Mabit in the mosque. Welcoming the arrival of 1 Muharram is also usually done with the Mabit in the mosque at night. This activity was filled with religious lectures and continued with personal activities. The means This means that participants can use the opportunity to reflect on themselves during their stay at the mosque. I want to answer the question number 3. Social media is a medium to socialize with each other and is done online, which allow humans to interact with each other without being limited by space and time. Social media can be grouped into several major sections, namely 1. Social network. Social media for socializing, interacting, like Facebook. 2. Discuss. Social media that facilitate a group of people to chat and discuss, like Google Talk. 3. Share. Social media that facilitate us to share files, video, music, like YouTube. Social media removes human boundaries to socialize, space and time limit. With this social media, humans are allowed to communicate with each other wherever they are and at any time, no matter how far apart they are, and no matter they are day or night. Regarding the positive impact of social media, some of the benefits that users get from the technology include the following. 1. Facilitate communication. One of the positive effects of social media is the ease of communication. Currently, there are quite a number of applications on social media to send messages, make calls, and make video calls. By using social media, message or phone calls can be made easier and cheaper. 2. Facilitate information search. Another positive side of social media is the ease of finding information. Previously, information retrieval tended to be limited and required more time. With the presence of social media, we can find any information more easily and quickly. 3. Means for doing business. The impact of social media on the positive side is not only used to communicate, but also begins to become a business opportunity. In fact, several social media platforms have provided special feature for doing business. Some of the negative impact of social media include the following. 1. Disrupt mental health. A study reveals the use of social media contribute to poor mental health in Indonesia. The research presented in a paper by Sujarwoto, Gindo Tampu Bolon, and Adi Cilik Pirewan examine the specific effect of social media on mental health in developing countries. It was found that social media has an adverse effect on mental health, as has been documented globally. However, the authors note the specific for developing countries such as Indonesia. Second, social jealousy. Researchers say that Indonesia's high level of inequality and being highlighted on social media can lead to jealousy and hatred. People will tend to judge negatively when they see pictures or posts of how other people live on social media. Based on the latest survey by Indonesia Basic Health Research 2018, the prevalence of individual with mental disorders in Indonesia is estimated at 8 million people. Mental health resulting from the negative impact of social media is not just unhappiness and depression. 3. Problem with self-esteem and being a person who seek attention and are also negative effect of social media addiction. The constant barrage of perfectly filtered photos that pop up on Instagram will make most people feel inferior of or hurt their self-esteem. We will start comparing ourselves to the people we follow on social media. When we judge based on how other people are doing on social media, we are actually placing happiness in a variable that is completely out of control. Dr. Tim Bono, author of when likes aren't enough. That way, people will seek more attention on social media. Not only that, to seek attention on social media, many people do unusual thing from embarrassing that to life-threatening. I want to answer question number 4. I study at Islamic Senior High School Danulfala. The place is in Cisangkuy Dodik, Pangalengan. Danulfala is a foundation consisting of early childhood education program, Islamic primary school, Islamic junior high school, and Islamic senior high school level. The school building is separated by a river, and this school is located in two villages. The first is Pangalengan village and the second is Margamukti village. The facilities available at the Nurfala Islamic boarding school are Islamic boarding school lesson, and there are Islamic boarding school lesson in general lesson. My favorite subject are English and math, and the teacher that I like is also an English and math teacher because they teaches until students understand and like to motivate learning so that we are always enthusiastic about learning. A very memorable experience at school was that I took part in the Mathematics Olympiad in Bandung Regency. Although I didn't win, I was happy to be able to take part in the competition. Thank you.